First solution. Let's go a menu, click settings, click on apps, manage your apps. Click on Start, clear cache. Okay. Ready? Second solution. And fine. Third solution. Let's go a menu, click settings, click on applications, manage your apps, we go down, click on Netflix, click on Start. Okay. Fourth solution. Let's go Play Store. Ready? Fifth solution. Let's go a menu, click settings, click on applications, manage your apps, we go down, click on Netflix, click on permissions, click here, click on All Permissions, and ready. Goodbye friends, subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comments if it helped you with this video.